This is the three-phase process. This is the exact process that I take each and every one of my clients through, purely from a physical transformation perspective. Okay, at this point, you're above the bell curve. You're a healthy, thriving outlier, and your performance is also increasing. So now you have two options. Slowly build muscle and enjoy the long-term maintenance and that passive muscle, right, and all the fruits of your labor. And just develop a sustainable lifestyle model so that you can maybe pour more energy into other aspects that you want to work on, right? Which is what I recommend, and this is what I do 10 months out of the year. Or you can push things a little bit, and you can go to, push things on the performance side a little bit, or maybe your physique goals, okay? By this time, you're able to leverage a lot more intentional stress, through the diet, through the training, because your work capacity is so much higher. You're just able to handle more. You're more adapted, right? And not everyone gets to this level, and it's totally cool. If you just hang out in phase 2, you're doing better. You're an outlier still, right? But I think it is something worth striving for and just trying at least once, right? Just to see what you're really capable of, and really push past that maintenance level, that equilibrium level, right? Because then it's going to be easier to maintain when you come back to, because you know what you've done, you know what you're capable of, okay? So it's totally cool to sprint and accelerate things and do things that are a little more aggressive, as long as you have a sustainable lifestyle maintenance system model to move back to, okay? Now, it's really up to you, whatever you want to do at this phase. For me, it's also a really important distinction. I don't want to forget this, that, phase 2, we leverage stress, and, we learn things like how to diet down effectively and sustainably. It's really important for long-term performance, and especially maintenance, to learn how to diet up. And you do that by using things like recovery diets or reverse diets, and really focusing on building that passive muscle with time. When you get to that point, things get really enjoyable, because if you diet up effectively and you realize that you can maintain a lean, athletic physique on a fair amount of calories, that's really cool.